بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our video class is on mathematics. Hope children in the previous class we have studied about big, small, tall, short, long, short, more, less, above, below, on, under, inside, outside, before, after, between. This all we studied in a previous class. Today we are going to study our chapter 2, numbers up to 100. Numbers up to 100. In your pre-primary sections already you have learned numbers up to 100 children? Yeah. So just I'll show you some numbers. Read it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hope you all are practicing at home. Try to practice these numbers at home. If not, you will forget it. So, it is 1. You have also learned the number names. So, try to practice numbers 1 to 100. 1 to 100 with your help of your parents. You try to practice the numbers 1 to 100. So, now coming to number names. This is 1. How we are going to write its name? O-N-E. O-N-E. Already you have studied in your pre-primary. T-W-O. 2. T-H-R-E-E. 3. F-O-U-R. 4. F-I-V-E. 5. S-I-X. 6. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Practice these spellings at home, children. E-I-G-H-T. 8. N-I-N-E. 9. And the last one is 10. Hope you all know these spellings. Yeah, very good. You know these spellings. Once again, try to learn these spellings. O-N-E 1, T-W 2, T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9, T-E-N 10. These are the spellings. You should be thorough with these spellings. So after learning these spellings, I'll show you some numbers, how to write the before number. Now, what is this number? 45. So children, the number less than this number if we write, it becomes the before. पहला वाला नंबर, ये नंबर से पहला वाला नंबर को before कहते हैं. So I wrote the number 4, 5, 45. So 1 less than 45. What is the number 1 less than 45? 44. Yeah, this is the number before. What is this? Before number. So next number is 18. What is the number 1 less than 18? What number comes before 18? 17. The next number is 2, 3, 23. 1 less than 23 is 22. Now the next number I have taken only 4. 1 less than 4 is 3. The next number is 7, 5, 75. So 1 less than 75 is 74. These are the numbers before. The numbers what comes before. When we are writing before, the number what is given, you have to write 1 less than that number before it. That is before. Next coming to after. After means the number which comes after that, one more than that number. Uske baad wala number. Now I am going to write 37. 37 is the number. We have to write what comes after it. Uske baad wala number. That is one more than that. So after 7 what comes? 30 I have written. After 7, 8. 38. Now I have written 43. So more than one number more than 43. After 3 comes 4. 44. In the same way, 30. What comes after 30? 3. After 0 comes 1. 31. So this is the way how we have to write the number what comes after. One more number than the given number. What is the number given? The after number will be one more. Then coming to between. Now the number given is 3 to 32. 32, after 32 comes dash, then 34. If you know the after number of that is the 32 after comes the 33. Yeah, 32, 33. Then check the next number, what is it? It is 34. That means your answer is right. After 32, you take one number more than that. It is 33. Then after that, you check whether the number next to it is right or not. 32, 33, 34. So the number 56. After 56 comes 57. After 6 comes 7. 56, 57, 58. So this is the between number. Whatever the number is given first, then after that what is the number comes, the next number will be written in this dash. That will be the between number. Now the number 7070. What comes after 70? 70. After 0 comes 1. 70, 71, 72. You have to read in this way and check whether they are in order or not. 70, 71, 72. 32, 33, 34. So when you are reading that number, it will be in order. Then you can check that your answer is right. Hope you all understood what is between. यानी बीच का number. So once again, before is one less than the number which is given. I have given you 45. So one less than that is 44. So whenever you are writing the before number, it should be one less than the given number. When you are writing the after number, it should be one more than the given number. The given number is 37. After number will be one number more than that. The next number 43, 44, 30, 31. When you are writing the between number, check the two numbers and check it. 3 to 32. After 32 comes 33. Then check what is written here, 34. Then 32, 33, 34. It is in order. That means your answer is right. Before, after, between. Hope already you have studied in your pre-primary section, children. You have understood, and try to practice these spellings. 1 to 10. Learn the spellings, number names of from 1 to 10. Okay, thank you, children.